Hi, I'm Timme Hendriksen, and I want to talk about the value engineering study we did on the Hooijvaartbrug. I would like to showcase that VE can be a great Kickstarter for smaller and less complex projects as well. Now, the Hooijvaartbrug is a movable bridge in Leeuwarden, a city in the north of the Netherlands. The road itself is a former national road and now an important regional connector, since a new highway was built right next to it. Now the bridge is crossing a small canal which is mainly used during the summertime for leisure boats. The bridge itself is now owned by Rijkswaterstaat, which is part of the Dutch Ministry of Infrastructure and Water Management. And the bridge was established in 1956 and needs to be renovated, after which it will be handed over to the municipality. Now the city of Leeuwarden wants a good bridge. But what does that mean? And besides, the bridge is outdated. The original function of the bridge is not the same as what it should do nowadays. So while we're renovating the bridge, can we make it future-proof? The project is not technical complex, as you can see, but it's stakeholder complex. So the aim of this value engineering study was to get all internal and external stakeholders together right at the start of the project and get alignment on the project scope, and by doing so shorten the project lead times. While the city of Leeuwarden was skeptical at first, they were enthusiastic at the end. A lot more topics were covered than they first imagined. They were having a better understanding of the different viewpoints of stakeholder. Mission functions were added. There was agreement on the scope by all internal and external stakeholders, and with that a good understanding of the acceptance criteria for the municipality to accept the bridge being handed over. There was agreement on how to move forward, and the risk of scope alterations in the future were reduced. Now, the value engineering study also resulted in an accelerated design, about 2 to 3 times faster. So, do yourself a favor next time and kickstart your project with value engineering. Thank you.